Hello, today I'm going to show you how to view your Snapchat history. Let's start. To start the process, open your Snapchat application on your mobile device. Now go to your profile. Here tap on Settings icon on your top right corner. Then scroll down and tap on My Data. Now enter your password. After that, tap on Next. Here, tap on Next. Now tap on Submit. After that, open your Gmail. Now open that mail which they have sent you. Tap on Click here. After that, tap on Safari. Here tap on Next. Tap on Verify. Here you need to verify your identity to solve this puzzle. Enter your password. From here, you can find all of your data. Now tap on See Exports. Then tap on Download. As you can see, our data has been successfully downloaded for viewing. Give this video a huge like and subscribe to get more helpful videos like this. It explained me how we're solving new problems every day.